Advocate K. Rawat from Lexington Company. Today we are going to talk about the company and its types under Companies Act 2013. Now, what is a company under the Companies Act 2013? Before going to the types of companies, it is very important to understand the meaning of a company, defined under Section 2 subclause 20 of Companies Act 2013. According to this section, a company is an association of persons that has a separate legal entity and has a perpetual succession. The company's capital is divided into small denominations known as shares. The term separate legal entity means that the company has a separate existence from its shareholders. A company can hold assets in its name and can sue or be sued. Similarly, perpetual succession means that members may come or go, but the company remains forever. Now there are different types of company. Here are the list of few companies. Number 1, statutory company, registered company, company limited by shares, company limited by guarantee, company with unlimited liability, public company, private company, one person company, foreign company, Indian company, section 8 company, government company, small company, subsidiaries, holding company, associated company, production company and dormant company. Now, types of companies based on liability. Companies limited by share. It refers to a company in which the liability of its partners is limited to the amount specified in the partnership agreement. However, any unpaid amount on the share may be called upon to settle the liability. Liability against partners can be enforced during the existence of the company, even during liquidation. It is important to note that no amount can be claimed from the members after the share have been fully repaid. For example, X is a shareholder who has paid 75 for a share with a face value of 100. The company can call upon X to pay only the remaining 25 rupees and not exceed that amount. By far, the most important are limited liability company. I hope you are pretty much clear with what is company under Companies Act 2013 and what is companies limited by share. If not, so then do let me know in the comment section regarding all your doubts and queries, and I'll see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.